Happy Monday, everyone.
Happy Monday, everyone.
You just painting this door and fender, Kirby?
Yeah, and it had an aftermarket mirror on it, so we had to weld up 3 holes. These are actually the factory holes.
Oh, they were under the mirror?
Yeah, they're
Awesome.
still in it. So he's putting factory mirrors back on, so got rid of those. By the time we prime this, we're gonna be out to the edge, so we're gonna blend the fender.
I gotcha.
Which is a lot enough room to blend the door back.
Are you shaking?
I'm nervous. Are you trying to make me more nervous?
Yes.
Working.